Whoa, hold up. Did you just catch your reflection and mistake yourself for a couch potato? Well, fear not, my fellow fitness fugitives. It's Zen here, your personal escape artist from the land of lazy, and I'm about to flip your world upside down, literally, if you're up for some inverted crunches. Buckle up, because this isn't your grandma's workout video, unless your grandma is Jane Fonda, in which case, can I get her autograph? We're about to embark on a 30-day fitness adventure that'll make your Netflix binge-watching marathons look like a warm-up. We're kicking off our 30-day family fitness challenge, and trust me, it's going to be a game-changer for your physical fitness. Whether you're a gym rat or a total newbie, this challenge is designed to get everyone in your household moving, grooving, and improving their body fitness. So, are you ready to turn your living room into the ultimate fitness blender? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking, Zen, how can I possibly keep my whole family engaged for 30 days? Well, that's where the magic of variety comes in. We're going to mix things up with a delicious cocktail of workouts, from Zumba fitness to gym-inspired routines, and even some martial fitness techniques. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be a walking, talking fitness encyclopedia. Let's kick things off with week 1, home fitness fundamentals. This week is all about laying the groundwork for your family fitness journey. We'll start with some basic fitness exercises that everyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. Think jumping jacks, squats, and lunges, but with a twist. We'll add some simple Zumba moves to get that heart rate up and those hips shaking. It's like a fitness dance party in your living room. And here's a fun fact, did you know that Zumba can burn up to 600 calories in just 1 hour? That's like eating a whole pizza and then dancing it off. Now, who says fitness can't be fun? As we move into week 2, get ready for our Zumba fitness fiesta. This is where things really heat up. We're diving deep into Zumba fitness baile ejercicio, that's Spanish for dance exercise, for those of you scratching your heads. We'll explore a variety of fitness songs and fitness music to keep you motivated. Here's a little quiz for you. What do you think burns more calories, 30 minutes of Zumba or 30 minutes on a treadmill? Surprise! It's Zumba. So, let's get those bodies moving to the beat. And don't worry if you feel like you have 2 left feet, remember, the goal is to move and have fun, not to audition for Dancing with the Stars. Week 3 is when we bring the gym to you with our Gym Fitness at Home segment. No fancy equipment needed, we'll be using household items and bodyweight exercises to recreate that gym fitness experience. We'll incorporate some martial fitness techniques and even some Planet Fitness-inspired workouts. Ever tried doing bicep curls with water bottles? Or using a chair for tricep dips? Get ready to look at your furniture in a whole new way. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that regular exercise can actually increase the size of your hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory? So not only will you be getting fit, but you'll also be boosting your brain power. Finally, in week 4, we'll put it all together in our Family Fitness Blender finale. This is where we combine all the techniques we've learned into one comprehensive family workout. We'll introduce a fitness vlog element, encouraging you to document your progress. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. And to cap it all off, we'll have a final fitness challenge for the whole family. It's like the Olympics, but with more laughter and probably a lot more uncoordinated movements. Now, I can already hear some of you saying, but Zen, I don't have time for all this. Well, let me ask you this, do you have time to scroll through social media for hours? Or binge watch that new series everyone's talking about? If you answered yes to either of those, then congratulations. You do have time for fitness. It's all about priorities, folks. Throughout this challenge, remember that consistency is key. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up every day and giving it your best shot. Some days you might feel like a fitness god, ready to conquer the world. Other days, you might feel more like a sloth on vacation. And you know what? Both are perfectly okay. The important thing is to keep moving. Before we wrap up, I want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Byte Shop. They've got some amazing fitness gear that can take your home workouts to the next level. Use the coupon code WELCOME10 for 10% off your first purchase. Trust me, your muscles will thank you. So, are you ready to embark on this 30-day journey to better health and family bonding? Remember, physical fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good, having more energy, and setting a positive example for your loved ones. Whether you're into Zumba, gym workouts, or just dancing around your living room like no one's watching, this challenge has something for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our daily workout videos. Share your progress in the comments. I want to hear all about your fitness victories, no matter how small. And hey, if you manage to get your grumpy teenager to join in on a family Zumba session, that definitely counts as a major win in my book. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make the next 30 days the beginning of your family's fitness revolution. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in our case, a single dance move. See you tomorrow for day 1 of our family fitness challenge. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep moving.